Who's in the box? Oh, what's in the box?
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of What's in the Box on the Jack on Tracks channel. Let's see what we got in here. I know what this is. As you guys know, I'm a huge titchy boy apparently now, and I'm also a Bowser bunny. I love Bowser's part. I love Bowser trains, but I'm also a blue box boy. I do like these. Man, this thing's wrapped pretty good. I do like blue box Athens. Yeah, this thing's COVID proof. All right. So, but there is one particular car in general that I am really a fan of. I just love these cars. If I had 100 of these cars on my layout, I'd be happy as a clam. So, and this is a Bell Bev one, and I believe, yep, it's just a standard paint. Some of these are actually platinum stripe, and it looks sick. And see something in here really quick. Wondering which trucks these take. Because these, if I can get away with it. Looky. Those look a lot like those. So, yeah, guess what we're doing a little bit later? Oh, actually, maybe not. All right. We're still going to do a little bit later. I think I'll put this one together. I'm a huge fan of the merchandise service paint job. I just really like it, but I personally prefer the ones with the platinum. I thought this one was a platinum paint, but it's not. But it's okay because it's still a prototypical paint, as far as I know. So both doors, the weight's in there, all the inners. Let's put it all back in here, and yep. We'll come back to this later, maybe later today. But that's what's in the box today. Once again, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Hit like. And as always, I'll catch you later.